Hello, my loves. I am Janell, your manifesting love guru, and in this meditation, you will make your specific person commit to you instantly. Thank you for subscribing and remembering to click that bell icon because I create new manifestation videos several times a week to manifest love with the law of attraction and the law of assumption. I have helped thousands of people all around the world, and I can help you too to manifest the love that you desire extremely fast. Just visit me at joybyjanell.com. Listen to this meditation for 30 days to perfect the vibration so that it will easily manifest into your experience. You can listen to this as you're going to sleep. You can listen to this when you wake up in the morning. The more you listen to this, the more you reinforce the love that you want. Now take a deep breath and relax, and let's begin. I always knew they would commit to me. The way they look at me, they just look like they could look at me forever. The way they love me is just obvious. They told me they always knew they were meant to be with me. They told me they dream about me. They want to wake up to my face forever. Now imagine you're together, committed to your person. You are waking up together every morning. It feels like a dream. You gaze at one another. You touch their face with your fingertips. You smile at each other. And there's this blissful moment that fills the room with peace and joy and love. You smile because your life together is priceless. Everything that you dreamed of having with them has already come to pass. And your heart wells up with immense joy and great love. And you feel like you're in heaven as you intertwine your fingers with theirs in a romantic way, like in the movies. This is your life manifested. Your dream come true is here in this moment. Now you get out of your bed and get ready for your day, feeling happy, content, joyful, and fulfilled. Still living in the dream that you woke up in when you looked at them this morning. As you go about your day, everything you do feels pleasant. You feel so happy and secure in this long-term committed relationship. You are part of a team. You have a soulmate, and you're in love. As you prepare for the day, you think about the nice things that your person has done for you. You recall how sweet that they have been. You smile as you think about the gifts that they have given you recently just to show you their love. You remember all the wonderful things that they said to you lately. Every moment they get a chance, they are coming to you with love. This love is a gift and is forever. Now imagine snuggling, watching a movie together. You both are just so happy about the life that you've created together. See yourself enjoying this committed relationship. Feel the peace and comfort. Feel your heart smile. Bask in knowing that you finally accomplished everything that you want. You are living your dream every day, and it's amazing. You are hooked into this endless stream of abundant love. The blissful moments just keep coming, and your person is thinking these same thoughts right now. And in their mind, they want to say to you, I love my life with you. I love waking up to you every day. I love our life together. I love that our love never ends. I can enjoy you forever. Thank you for this love. Thank you for this relationship. Thank you for my happy dream come true. It is now done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type "their love for me will never end" to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.